$7 in an old jean jacket, and there's dust under the collar. 'Cause I've been walking for hours, but I'm almost where I said that I would be. Just like on television, this heart full of ambition has been haunting my dreams, reaching for grander things, and I never really knew they could be mine. But I'm out way past my prime, looking for reasons I didn't get my time. Chances I miss while I'm on my way to that vacant place that I promised myself I would not escape. One more drink and I'm anyone's useless mess, just a helpless man with no self-defense. If I'm not yours, what are you looking for? But I'm out way looking for reasons I didn't get my time. Save face before I make it to where I set out and swore that I would find. But I'm out way past my prime, looking for reasons I didn't get my time. But I'm out way be a bad guy in a silent film, lit up by candles in the space between the shadows. I wouldn't have to say nothing or sound mean, I just wouldn't smile or look too pleased. They can't all be good, my guess bet that they shouldn't. What if sorrows swim? Good God, gonna need to burn them. Cut my hair off and save my beard, stop wearing white and keep nothing clean at all. Oh, what a relief from the pressure to just be hated and learn that being bad ain't nothing but the pleasure. They can't all be good, my guess better that they shouldn't. What if sorrows swim? Good God, we're gonna need to burn them. God, gonna need to burn them. Good Some worse guys done up like good ones, then hide a pile of money and never have to worry. Maybe give it all away for a reason to steal, another chance to keep from keeping still. They can't all be good. My guess that they shouldn't. What if sorrows swim? Good God, gonna need to burn them. They can't all be good. My guess better that they should. What if sorrows swim? Good God, gonna need to burn them. Good God, gonna need to burn them. Good God, gonna need to burn them. Got a hunch about your name, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave this part here, would you like to go? I know a little place not far, and I haven't been drinking, we can take my car. But I don't wanna know where you've been, or whose girl you are and since when. Let's take a night for ourselves and forget about everything else. We should enjoy this and blur the line, with no pretense about the lack of time. Get a fleeting taste before it's gone. Soon enough you'll be moving along. You don't wanna know where I've been, or who's my girl since when. Let's take a night for ourselves and forget about everything else. Another party somewhere else. I'm gonna see you again in a different dress, shuffling the room with some friends. The shake of your head says no, not again, but they don't wanna know where we've been, or whose girls whose and since when. Let's take a night for ourselves and forget about everything else. Let's take a night for ourselves